Is it better to have more in-house resources or prosperous working relationships? I say, why not have both? With that in mind, I'm Cameron Collins, CEO of Collins Creations 3D, and I'm here to humbly present our range of product and service opportunities specifically tailored to your business's interests and aspirations as collectors, exhibitors, and keepers of natural history and human heritage. We want to provide you with local access to 3D printing, 3D scanning, and design consultation services that will further innovate your business and inspire you to expand upon what you currently provide. Many believe that the study, presentation, and exploration of natural history and our cultural heritage is done sufficiently using traditional methods. I respectfully disagree. I propose the best way to present and maintain anything of value should consider all parties involved before producing scientific findings or creating works of art. Wholesome knowledge is acquired with the best resources available, and welcoming new methods and technologies creates opportunities for you, your customers, and our community as a whole. CC3D gives you the power to make your client's journey more accessible, understandable, memorable, and a means to display what you do so well in an innovative, scientifically accurate, digitally flexible, and alternative format that will make your peers and future clients look twice. We're here to infuse a brand new toolset and equally passionate, supportive, and technologically minded partner to your workflow. At CC3D, we know that this can be achieved by embracing new technologies and processes, as well as adopting holistic principles into everyday workflows. Cornwall is worthy of so much, but often falls short of the local business support it needs. I want CC3D, along with other businesses, to aspire to meet the demands of Cornwall and its people, as clearly embracing new technologies has worked out for us and our local economy so far. So don't consider traditional heritage presentation methods as point of fact. CC3D can help overcome many of the problems you, your subsidiary clients, and active consumers of your content all face together. CC3D can innovate the services you provide so that your client and peer experiences radically improve, leading to better B2B, B2C, and C2C communication, aesthetic appreciation, increased creativity, expansion of your current service and product ranges, and achieve greater successes overall. I hope you consider what we offer of value, and following our services we offer a selection of reward options to be used by you or your clients for discounts on all future CC3D purchases. Let's build you a better future by redesigning your past. Thank you.